Hello everybody, and welcome back to Brzozowka, or whatever how you pronounce it. Welcome back to this map, a little bit of a... I wish I knew how to pronounce the name of this map, but I don't. Anyway, we're going to continue our journey on this semi-survival, semi-realistic roleplay thing. I haven't really found a name for it yet. If anybody has a name for all that stuff. Oh, speed cameras. Okay. What was exactly that one entitled and be called? And let me know, please. Is my interactive markers on? Yes. Oh, look at that, it's right there. But I caught some Z's in that hotel back there. Still got 1,400 bucks. Oh yeah, tractor hard at work. So cool. I love that so much. Oh, it's so good. What is this? Sugar mill. That's cool. It's got its own custom icons. Alright. Only choices we have is to check on this, and way out of my pay grade. So we're going to move on to Field 49 cultivating. Oh, what's Field 49? Yeah, no. That's a nice chunk of money, but... that is a lot of field to cultivate, and it's gonna reduce it by 5 grand. So we're gonna be 19. I can't do fertilizer because I don't own a fertilizer. Should we just do it? Yep. We're gonna do it. As I'm standing in this guy's parking lot here, in his business's parking lot. Holy 90-degree turn there, bud. You're still getting fuel. So strange. Well, hey, we can't say that we have to travel far to Field 49 because the shop is literally in Field 49, so... Oh, a nice vent. I get so laggy in interiors for some reason. Like, really stutter laggy inside of an interior. Well, it's not too bad because they could have gave me like that one I had the last mission. I think this folds out again. Alright, you're impressing me. You're impressing me. That is a nice cultivator. Super duper nice. We could take a bank loan out. It's like, oh, we'll go with forestry. But, okay, buy just like a side-by-side and a chainsaw. We have no land to cut. So that kind of eliminates that notion. Man, this field's gonna take a while. There's gonna be quite a big time lapse in this section coming up. Yeah, so we gotta really make some wise money choices. If I go with a tractor and a decent sized plow or cultivator, at least then I can do side jobs. Then I can get paid the full amount because I'm using my own equipment. There's that. And then if we have a bank loan, we need to earn money to pay off said bank loan. Oh, decisions. I know I have to think realistic in the start and get a decent sized tractor, but it's not going to be a super tractor. That John Deere would be. A John Deere with the 800 some horsepower would be like, that would be beyond perfect. I wouldn't ever have to worry about power. So I think it's time for a time lapse to begin, don't you say? Oh, after I get off the bush. Alright. Here we go. I never want to see another cultivation job for a while. It is now the next day in September. Wow, that took forever. I had to jump cut it. I'm so sorry, but I had to jump cut it. It was. I started to fall asleep. The shop's not even open. We'll wait. I legit started to. I legit started to nod off, driving in circles. Yeah. But hey, our contract's complete. We got 19 grand. Oh, come on, people. Go. Fine. I will go back into the field till the shop opens, so we can return this. Oh, look at another tractor. Speaking of, yeah, I don't need a combine right now. It's probably definitely gonna be a small tractor. You got this. It's only 35 horses though. This has a little carrier pack on it. Yeah, these are so expensive. A little John Deere, little baby John Deere. That might be the route to go. Yeah, 15 for that. 100 horsepower to 105. It's 25 for 9.5. Yeah, it's foolish for me to even look in here. Miscellaneous. Yeah, even worse. Yeah, monster truck. There we go. Okay, it's a very cheap lawnmower. How am I supposed to pick up the grass? How am I supposed to do this? So, kind of SOL. But at least if we have a tractor, it's a start. Alright. There is this. Give me this. Baling for field? No. Field 60? So, we have 20 grand to work with. Yeah, it would be nice if I could just, like, search. I have so many... Like, we got that. Oh, it's 21.45. Can't even afford that. Oh, there's a good old Volvo. Good stuff. We got this John Deere. Configuration. Okay, you put a front weight. Good to know. Design, original, exhaust flap, chrome, original. Front loader, huh? Put a front loader on it. That's cool. Alright, 100 horsepower. Yeah, we need a tractor. We need a tractor. We're gonna go plows. 160. 450. Ouch. Yeah, this is 14 grand. Half a foot? There's the beauty. At least I'm out of the rain. Field 194. 193 is right in front of me. 194 is that one over there. That's not too bad. If we only had a plow. It would be cheaper just to rent and get this, use this one. Is there like... I know this is a stretch. But is there cheap land? Definitely not cheap. The cheap I'm thinking. Maybe if I had the dynamic price mod, but that mod on this map particularly was making it not load. So yeah. Cultivator? 901? Yep, I think we're gonna have to be stuck with this one for right now. This little tiny one. Attacher type, big, small, whatever that means. We'll go with this. I do want to check out something though. Oh, I have a $200,000 loan. Yeah, you start off with when you start off with start from scratch, you are given 500 grand. But I cut myself down and started the day off. I started the series off with that. That's why it has that big number. Oh my god, this thing. Look at that thing! It's so tiny. Uh, 3 and 8. Build 3's down there, 8's down there. 194. Yeah, we'll just accept this. It's right here. Well, this isn't too bad. I said that for the last cultivation job. Oh my, this is gonna be a little bit. No. No, 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 no. Nope. Not gonna happen. I am not torturing myself. That is cruel and unusual punishment. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Not gonna happen. What do I need for a decent sized plow? It's 14K. I doubt I can power this one. Yeah, 260. $14K for that one. Okay, sure. Might as well make it 19. That is ridiculous. At 60, we do not have the power for that. Yeah, a single Pharaoh, I think that's what they're called, was not going to happen. That was just not going to happen. But hey, bright side, we got our own tractor. So that's a thing. See, this is actually kind of tolerable now. That is, the other thing was literally a tire width. A tire width of stuff. Alright, so I'll ask the viewers a question. Do you think we should allow collectibles? Do you think you should allow me to grab a collectible or two to give me a boost? Or should I be made to suffer? I'm fine with doing it the hard way. I'm just gonna throw that out there. I'm fine with doing it the hard way. I would have picked it up right as I spawned if I wanted to do it that way. But, like, at the most, I would find 4 of them just to pay off the loan. And be done with it. Contract is 10% complete. If I had the plow, the one at the all the way on the end of the attachment page, or the one I use in Silver Run, I had that. It's technically a subsoiler, but the game counts it as a plow. These contracts would take 10 minutes to do all of them. Like 3 swipes, move on, collect. 3 swipes, move on, collect. I don't have a tractor to power them. I doubt this one would even budget. But still. Alright, enough talk. We're gonna do another time lapse. Here we go. Alright, another 10%. 2 contracts in 1 day. That's a lot of contracts. But I want to do more. I just need bigger equipment. I would really like to do the supply missions, but the numbers that they request 90% of the time are so outrageous. It's like unheard of. Like, I need 189,000 liters of bread. Dude, that's 189 pallets. The cap on the map is like 120. Like, yes, you don't have to do it all in one sitting. I get that, but dang. It's finished. The contract is finished. But I'm gonna stick to my word and try to just tidy up a little bit. Too big of a patch for me to just leave it. Like, oh, you're on your own. Bye. Alright, buddy. Get out of your field. Give you a nice little call. And give me my money. Field 27, cultivating, plowing. And right there's 1,100 bucks. I mean, who has 182,000 pallets? 182 pallets of honey. At least this is kind of reasonable. Still a metric ton, but it's still kind of reasonable. Crazy. But hey, we got our own stuff. We are on the map. We are on the map. Head on down to the place I'm staying, and that would be it for this one. Another episode down. What time? Excuse me, let me sneak in here. Sorry people, I don't have a very small vehicle, so I fit in a spot. Alright, another episode done. Another day, 2 days done. Thank you for joining me on whatever it is. Whatever this map is. And I can't wait to record the next one. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment, let me know your opinions about collectibles. And we'll catch you on the next one. Later.